gonna grab an even bigger axe. Because nothing seems to work.
Wow, what about this puppy?
How about it? Going brutal. Pose with the axe. Good. Oh, hold on, the light's shining right on you. Okay. Brutal.
Now,
Looks like.
what am I thinking about when I'm chipping away with the axe?
Then Lizzie Borden.
Whose blood do I want to see spattering?
Documenting. I don't want to run on that. Documenting. So far, this has been a trilogy. Ooh! 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 Almost fell in the snow. Who melted it? Progress. We used fire.
Right. All right.
Just the. Ooh! Ooh! Nathan Explosion would be proud of you. Brutal. Looks like you're getting closer. I think I see the edge of the door, maybe. I think I see the edge of the door, which is a good sign. Maybe. Never mind, it's just a piece stuck to it. False hopes.
We were going to get a thaw. I would just let, but we're not. We're
Yeah.
looking at more snow.
Oh, shit.
So I have to get in here, like at the end of the week.
Well, there's the still steamy tea kettle. Gonna get full view back through my old trekking route. Okay. Boop. I'm on top of the snow. A whole new angle. Oh my. Got a good view of this. I'm like a really bad reporter. And now she's going to use the giant axe. What the fuck was that one? Oh, it's the Barnstead one.
What a nice guy. Offering to help me.
Fuck dogs.
Ooh, slippery.
Let's not hatchet anyone in the head. I hate dogs. Whoo. Whoo.
I can't get
Hot damn.